Another interesting question on Surds. Let's get started.
Now we are given square root 18 multiplied by square root 8. Okay, if you recall your indices rules, we know that a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m is a times b to the power of m. So in this case, you can also rewrite this as 18 to the power of half multiplied by 8 to the power of half. Correct? And that will give us 18 times 8 to the power of half. Okay, 18 times 8 gives us 144 to the power of half, which is 144 square root, and the square root of 144 is actually 12. So that is your final answer over here for this question. Alright, so for surds, you must also remember the rules of indices so that you know how to apply them to simplify your expression and finally give your answer in surd form. Alright, thank you for watching, and do look out for more videos at our website as well as in our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.